Ever wondered how just a simple name turned into a global marketing explosion? In 2011, Coca-Cola took a bold risk in Australia. They removed their iconic logo and replaced it with names like Rahul, Anjali, Best Friend, Bro, Sis. Think about it. A global brand removing its own logo? That's huge. And then what happened? This idea went so viral that it spread to over 80 countries. People started hunting for bottles with their names, snapping photos, and posting them on Instagram. With the hashtag, they even created vending machines where you could type your name and get a personalized Coke bottle instantly. Coke sales in Australia jumped by 2%. Millions of social media posts were created, and most importantly, customers felt like the brand was made just for them. So, Coca-Cola gave us a powerful lesson. Personalization, power. When a brand makes you feel like it's created only for you, that's when the magic happens.